On this windy day at Ellwood Farm Machinery, with a 685XL fitted with loader. Very clean and straight and tidy girl. Look at her. Quick release headstock. Got good tyres all the way around. A dry cab. She's got 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, 540, 1000 PTO, auxiliary spools, you name it, it's got it. It is road registered also, if you go to the pub on. Let's go see in the cab. There's no wind in here. Thank gosh. Nice place to sit and enjoy the world. Simple and easy loader to use. See the headstock would be even better. There we are, there she is. Get out of the way. Power steering, lovely. Working handbrake, dials doing the thing, look. Have a tank of fuel. Simple and easy gearbox. One lever back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a high gear as well if you fancy going a bit faster to the shops. Or the pub, according to Boris, we'll be going there soon. Go a little bit. Ooh, we're off. We're away. Feel the power. Very good brakes, which will stop you dead, which is nice. Go backwards. Oh, really? Yeah, it's just this lever here. Forwards. Backwards. If you fancy getting a bit excited, high. And we go in seats as a gear. So we're going to, and we're off. That's high gear. Oh, we'll be there in no time, he says. These killer speed humps. These are killers, these ones. Oh. Very agile tractor. Turn around nearly anywhere you want it to. Brakes. Woo. On the rear, 3-point linkage, doing its thing. Shut this to keep the weather out. Go to neutral. We'll turn the PTO on so we can go see it doing a little dance. There she is, doing its thing for you. And there you go. International 685XL. Looking for home. More information available at ellwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page. If you've got a Part X, we'll take it. Give us a bell. We're offering UK and Ireland delivery. Get in touch. Thank you very much for your time.